You're viewing deliverable 2.2, chart creation using VBA, produced by cadets Paul Delmarsky and cadet Adam Still. On the right hand side you can see our works cited page. Let's jump right into it. This is our user interface. The user is required to select a COCOM. I'm going to choose NORCOM. Select a country. We have a list. For our presentation we're supposed to choose Turkey, but Turkey does not have the latitudes and longitudes listed in the data table that was provided to us, and because of that the distance filter does not work. So instead I'm going to use a different country. I'll insert a random number for latitude and longitude, and for our radius I'll insert a date and an end date. Ooh. So basically we have three filters: COCOM filter, country filter, and distance filter, and it uses the code that was developed by us in deliverable 201, and they're located right here: distance filter, COCOM filter, and country filter. So what it does, it will filter the data in the data sheet and will copy it into the my data sheet. So I will go ahead and filter by country, and it is done. So our deliverable asks us to create pie charts depending on different filters, such as target by type or attack by type. So basically what it's going to do is it's going to go over this table and filter the data once again with the pivot tables, and we'll paste the charts into the pivot sheet right here. So I will go ahead and press graph on the main page. Alright, and this is what our pivot sheet looks like after it becomes populated. So as you can see on the left hand side we have all the pivot tables. They go all the way down, and they're associated with a respective chart. You can see we have the pie charts, line charts, and the bar charts. The code itself is located right here in our module 1. It's pretty long. So in the beginning I defined all the variables that we had, and you can see each of our charts that was created and the pivot tables are delimited. They are marked. So basically what they do is they choose a filter by which they restrict the data that's being selected and they use it to pretty much count the number of values that fall within that category. And after that the data is used to create the pivot chart right here. So for our future work I wanted to create a reset button. Basically our code itself that we created, it will delete the previous pivot tables in order to populate the sheet with new charts, but the old charts will stay the same. So basically the new charts that will be populated are going to be drawn on top of the old ones. So for future work I wanted to create a reset button that would delete those charts. I wasn't able to, even though I tried, so I guess it would require more research on my part. And for now I believe this is it. Sir, this concludes my presentation. Thank you.